Oh, come on. Can you get it? Can I have your hand? No. Oh,
Oh no, it's stuck to me. Okay, seal it again.
okay.
Does this one work doing that? I don't know. Have you ever tried it before?
One of our first videos, remember that?
But with this slime.
Mm. If you guys know how to blow a bubble with thick slime, boop, boop. How does that one work? Oh. Make it
Hi guys, and welcome to Chloe's
channel.
YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us. Right now she's trying to blow a bubble. Now, our other slimes have worked really, really well with this, but we've never used the Nickelodeon slime to do this, so we're not
Is it
sure.
looking
This is Nickelodeon, but you've also put a bunch of different things in it, so it
I-
might not have the same
I
consistency now.
put these little balls.
Put the little balls in, and some glitter, and diamonds, and
Shine bright like a diamond.
shine bright. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep. Oh!
Oh,
That was a good one.
ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Oh,
There's a hole there. Oh.
it's Band-Aid.
Look at it. That was awesome. Do it again. That is so cool. Oh, whoa. That looked like alien eyes. Okay, you need to fold it again. Oh, you guys, isn't slime the best?
Yeah, Dad and my brother does not like it. But
Your
Justin,
daddy and her brother don't like it.
Justin,
They don't like the feel of it.
Justin only likes this slime.
Now she's got her whole little slime kit over here.
It's the best slime kit. It's the best slime kit in the world.
Okay, get it to secure.
Okay, now it's folded. I don't want it to touch the laptop.
Oh yeah, don't touch the laptop. We're just sitting here on this fine Sunday.
Sunday fun day.
Look at our hearts. We love you.
And Mom's gonna go to a shower. And there's actually, can I tell them a game? So there's this game that's called PKXD, and you should download it because you can now they added an update where you can now get pets, and you can get pet balloons.
Pet balloons, and those balloons are pretty cool, aren't they?
There's a yellow cat, a white dog, and
What's
then,
this on? PKXD?
yeah, PKXD.
All right, let's do this one more time, and then I'm going to go.
PKXD.
We get to go with Miss Crystal today and walk the dog.
I love dogs. I love any pet. Oh my god. I don't like lizards.
You get that on my laptop, little missy. All right, we're up to almost 4 minutes. Blow a nice big bubble.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Get all situated. Okay. Oh no.
I'm gonna smash your face. I don't know if it's gonna work this time.
Look, it's like, you know how you wrap noodles around your fork? And they
Hold up,
just
is that your straw?
Yeah.
Don't. Gross.
I washed this straw today.
Okay. One more try and then we're done.
Okay, guys, so.
Sometimes she gets good bubbles, sometimes she doesn't.
I keep forgetting that, like, I have a straw there, so it's like,
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Oh my god, I'm stuck in the couch.
Peace out.
Peace out.